What is going on, Draw 2 crew? Ramny here with a little bit of an update. I know this isn't the kind of video that you guys want, but I just want to let you know what is going on. Well, basically, this happened last week as I was inking my last tutorial, which was the John Wick tutorial. Basically what happened was my RSI, my repetitive stress injury, came back with a vengeance, and it was like I couldn't even put my pants on the next day. It was that sore and it was that bad. Right now, it's been a couple of days. I took a chance. I took this opportunity to kind of just take a break from YouTube for a while, from drawing for a while, and just allow my hand to heal, and also to mentally, you know, take a break from YouTube, because social media can be a very intimidating. It can be very what's the word? It can be anxiety inducing at times, you know, especially when you get like a lot of negative comments here and there, and there's like so many things to catch up on. So I decided to take an unexpected break from all of that. I hope you guys understand. But yeah, that's how it has been. Right now, it's a little bit better. I don't need the brace as much anymore. I still don't have full motion on my wrist, and it still hurts to move it like move it all the way this way, like you can see with this hand. This is as far as I can go, and this is as far as I can go. I did go to the clinic for it, and I got a couple of painkillers, some medicine for it, and like something to reduce the swelling as well. So doctor says it's not serious, it's just I gotta let it rest. So unfortunately, that's how it is. It kind of sucks because I am actually really wanting to get back to drawing as soon as possible, because I'm actually, taking this break, it just feels like I'm losing a lot of momentum, because, you know, Avengers Endgame happened, John Wick, Pokemon, well, I can't even think right now. Yeah, Pokemon movie just came out. I'll remember it eventually. There's a couple of like really cool movies that are coming up. Let's see, Dark Phoenix is coming up next month, and Toy Story 4. I'm not sure if I'm going to do any tutorials on that. Let's see, I have a list right here of all these movies that are happening that I want to do tutorials on, but it's difficult to do if you have one of these injuries, and it sucks. Like, I can do all this, I can move my hand and stuff, if like any motion of the wrist is really painful, so I have to keep it straight. Godzilla's coming up. Like, those are all the movies that I want to touch up on, and that's not counting all the video games that came out that I want to do. Mortal Kombat especially, a lot of TV shows. Game of Thrones just ended. It would have been really cool if I did 1 or 2 tutorials, drawing tutorials on Game of Thrones, but I just wasn't able to, unfortunately. So I feel like there's all of this that I should be doing, but I'm losing momentum because of this. So yeah, unfortunately, that's how it is. Now, the thing is, when I go back to drawing, I kind of want to slow it down a little bit. So I think I may be doing some Pokemon tutorials, because those are a little bit easier to do tutorials on, especially with my my Avengers Endgame tutorials. I feel like my videos have just gotten longer and longer and longer and longer, more details and all that stuff. And I know that's what a lot of you guys want, but at the same time, those are very time consuming to do. And what I really want to do is kind of step back a little bit and start doing less of that stuff. I feel like I'm moving my hands a lot. Step back a little bit and do more of the, what do you call it? The stuff that's easier to draw, stuff that takes, you know, less than 30 minutes, because these things are like going 45, going on 50 minutes long. And yeah, it was kind of draining to have something, to sustain something for that long. And I also notice it in the amount of, like, on YouTube, you can tell when people start dropping off, when people stop watching. And I noticed that a lot of people, during my long tutorials, a lot of people kind of stop watching in the very beginning. So I'd like to eventually move on to easier tutorials that don't take very long, hopefully soon. I got to figure out how to do that, because I know a lot of you guys want all those details in the tutorials. Anyway, that's it, you guys. I just want to let you guys know that I'm still alive. I'm just taking this time off. And yeah, work has been crazy. You guys know how it is. The beginning of the year, it's just crazy. And my daughter went back to school, so I got to deal with that as well. But she came back with a cold, and unfortunately, I'm starting to get that cold. So I don't know if you guys notice it in my voice, but that's also how it is. But anyway, I'm going to take this break probably until the weekend. I'm going to kind of rethink my strategy this weekend on what tutorials I'm going to bring out to you guys. That's it. I hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, keep you know, just in the comment section, just let me know what you guys are thinking about and all that stuff, and let me know of any ideas of what you guys want me to draw. I know a lot of you guys also want me to draw, go back to drawing Avengers Endgame. I'll do that eventually. I'll just have to let my hand heal a little bit more, because those Endgame tutorials, those things take a long time to do. Anyway, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys are still around. Let me know if you guys are. Hit that thumbs up button if you guys are still watching all the way to the very end. You guys are awesome. I can't thank you enough. I think I need to publish more videos where I'm actually thanking you guys, my audience, my viewers, for being so loyal, being awesome. Keep posting those things on Instagram, like your drawings, keep posting them. I know sometimes I can't respond to all of these comments that I'm getting, all of these messages that I'm getting. I try my best, but rest assured, if you guys post your stuff and tag me, I'll be able to see it, and I'll give it at least a like. Anyway, you guys are awesome. Stay tuned, there will be tutorials coming. So take care. I'll see you next time.